Dear students, in the last class we have done exercise 12.1. That means we have completed exercise 12.1, and all of you know in this chapter we need to use Heron's formula, and the name of the chapter is also Heron's formula. So what is Heron's formula? I want to recall that when the three sides are given in a triangle, then you can find the area of the triangle by using Heron's formula. That is, you need to find the semi-perimeter. S is equal to A plus B plus C by 2, and area is equal to root over S, S minus A, S minus B, and S minus C. So I hope all of you remember this formula. Okay, and also I have done the solutions of exercise 12.1 by using this formula. So today I am going to solve exercise 12.2. You have to use the same formula. See, here a park in the shape of a quadrilateral ABCD has angle C is 90. You can see the figure. AB is equal to 9 meter, BC is equal to 12 meter, CD is equal to 5 meter, and AD is equal to 9 meter. How much area does it occupy? Means you need to find the area of this field, of this quadrilateral field. Okay, so how will use Heron's formula here? For this you have to make two triangles. That is why what I have written, let us join BD. You have to join BD. This 13, how I got this 13, it is not given in the question, I will explain. So after joining BD, we see that angle C is 90, yes or not? If angle C is 90, then BDC is from right angle triangle. Then in the right angle triangle, BD will be the hypotenuse. If BD is hypotenuse, by using Pythagoras theorem, you can find out the length of BD or measure of BD. So using PT, BD square is equal to 12 square plus 5 square. Then BD square is equal to 12 square is 144, 5 square is 25. BD square is equal to 144 plus 25, 169. Then square root of 169 is 13. So BD is equal to 13 meter. That is why I have written 13 meter BD. Now you can see you have BD is equal to 13 meter. Yes or no? So first of all, find out area of triangle BCD. BCD, yes. You can find out this area by using Heron's formula. Yes, you are correct. But you can find out this area also by using half into base into height. Why? Because it is a right angle triangle. You will get the height. That is why you can use this one directly. So area of triangle BCD, half into B into H, base into height. So half into base is 12 and height is 5. 2 6 are 12, 6 5 are 30 meter square. So you are getting this area. Now try to find out the area of triangle ABD. If you get the area of ABD, after that you add this area, means area of triangle ABD and area of triangle BCD, then you will get the area of ABCD. Yes. Now for triangle ABD, see, you cannot use this formula because you cannot, it is height is not given, and also it is not perfect. Angle is not 90 or angle is not 90, yes or no? So now you have to use Heron's formula because three sides are given here. So here also you got three sides, but you can use but angle C is 90. That is why I have done directly by using half into base into height. If you want to use Heron's formula here for triangle BCD, you can get the same answer. Yes, but I have done by using this one, half into base into height. But for this you cannot use. For this you have to use, for triangle ABD you have to use Heron's formula. That is why Heron's formula all of you know. S equal to A plus B plus C by 2. They can write directly 9 plus 8 plus 13 as ABC by 2. Then if you simplify, you will get 15 meter. So area is equal to S, S minus A. So 15, 15 minus 9, 15 minus 8, 15 minus 13. So 15 minus 9 is 6, 15 minus 8 is 7, 15 minus 13 is 2. Then if you break 15, 3 into 5, 6. You can break 2 into 2, means if you factorize 7 into 2. Then 3 square you get 2 square, and 5 and 7 has no pairs. So 5 into 7, 35. For this 2 you will get square root. So 3 into 2 will come outside and you will get under root 35. Clear? 3 to the 6 root 35. Understood? So area of the park is area of ABD plus area of BCD. Area of ABD plus area of BCD. Now at this area 6 root 35 plus area of BCD is 30. So if you want to put the value of root 35, first you break root 35, root 7 and root 5. Now put the values of root 7 and root 5. Then multiply with 6, you will get a value. But if you don't want to put, it's okay. Just you write this answer. It is fine, okay? Root 6, root 35 plus 30 is equal meter square. This is the final result. This is the area of the part. Clear? Next. Question number 4. A triangle and a parallelogram have the same base and the same area. A triangle and parallelogram, same base and also they have same area. If the sides of the triangle are 26, 28, 30, when 3 of the sides are given, and the parallelogram is touched on the base 28, that means here already said that the parallelogram and triangle has same base. That means if the base is 28, so I have drawn a figure. If you don't want to draw a figure, it's okay, no problem. For your understanding, I have drawn a figure. If same base, then you can take this one as base. So this is 28 centimeter. Yes, on this base you are having a parallelogram. On for this you are also having this triangle. Yes or no? Now find the height of the parallelogram. You need to find the height of the parallelogram. Okay, first of all, find the area of the triangle by using Euler's formula. A is 26, B is 28, C is 30. Now find S, A plus B plus C by 2, 26 plus 28 plus 30 by 2. Then if you simplify, you will get 42 centimeter. Now area is equal to S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. So 42 minus 26, 42 minus 28, 42 minus 30. So you will get this one. If you simplify, you will get 336 centimeter square. This is the area of the triangle. Now you need to find the height of the parallelogram. So I have done that. Let the height of the parallelogram be h. Now according to this question, what is given? The area of the triangle is equal to area of the parallelogram. So you can write area of the parallelogram is equal to area of the triangle. What is the area of parallelogram formula? All of you know, base into height. What? Base into height. So area of the triangle is, what you have got? This one, 336. Base, same base, that is why you can write 28 into h, 336. If you transfer 28 on the right hand side, 336 by 28. If you simplify, you will get 12. That means height of the parallelogram is 12 centimeter. It's very easy or not? Because only need to compare this one. Area of the parallelogram is equal to area of the triangle. Now put the formula of this one, base into height, and this is already got 336. Now base you write 28, you will get the height. Yes? So please complete this homework. Question number 2, 5 and 6. In case any doubt, you can ask me in the evening. Thank you.